Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will show you how to enable dark mode in the VSCO app on your phone. Dark mode can help reduce eye strain, especially when using the app in low-light environments, and it also gives the app a sleek, modern look. First, open the VSCO app on your phone. Once the app is open, look for the two horizontal lines at the top left. Tap on it. Next, from the menu that appears, find the Settings option. Tap on Settings to open the app's Settings menu. Then, within the settings, scroll carefully until you see the Appearance section. Finally, select Dark Mode to enable it. The app interface will switch to a darker color scheme immediately. This change will help you use VSCO more comfortably in dim environments and can also save battery life on phones with OLED screens. In conclusion, enabling dark mode in VSCO is a simple process that involves opening the app, accessing the menu, going into settings, and choosing the dark appearance. Try it out to enhance your app experience and protect your eyes during extended use.